Part 2 on that F150 exhaust leak. Looks a little worse than maybe I thought because couldn't quite tell what was done. And it looks like the shop tried to hide it from the customer. So it looks like they tried to weld maybe some nuts on here or do something, and they made it very hard on themselves because they tried to do it in place, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So if we look at what happened here, I don't know why anyone would do this. That's just not going to work. It's never going to work. That's not how any of this works. So they messed up this part, and then maybe they tried to cut this, and then it looks like messed up some of the wiring here on this oxygen sensor. So that's going to give this guy some issues down the road, since it was all touching. So there you go, guys. In the other video I said it came from another shop, but not directly. The customer took it back and noticed the exhaust leak. So there you go. That's why mechanics are not liked.